This is a little off the shoulder number. So this dress is, let me see what brand it is. Okay, this is the Mary Sky brand as well. And it's just a little off the shoulder, if I can get a hold of it, orange dress. It cinches in at the waist, has a little bit of elastic at the waist, has a little ruffle at the bottom. The color is really pretty for spring. This is a size 2X and it fit really well. I just thought it was really, really cute, and I like the color, I like the cut of it. I love anything off the shoulder, you guys know that. So this is just really adorable, and I'm definitely going to keep this. It's very thin, so it's very lightweight and airy, and I just really, really liked the cut of it. I thought it was very flattering on the body, and I just thought it was really, really cute. So I'm definitely gonna keep that.
Love this dress. Love, love, love. The fit of this dress is amazing. It hits at the perfect point. It's not tight here at all. I love the high-low because I'm a short girl. So on me, it just looks like really elegant and nice from the back, but then I don't step on it up front. So I absolutely love this dress.
I really love the floral top too. Super lightweight, super comfortable, flowy, not too, clingy. Has a cute detailing on the back there. Super happy with this. I might be in trouble, guys.
So this is the first piece. It's this nice blue and pink and black patterned tank top. Let me see if I can find out. Okay, it's from Vince Camuto. It's called a Vince Camuto sleeveless geometric printed top, and this is actually worth $78. That is crazy, and she gave it to me in a size 1X. So obviously I'm gonna try it on camera for you guys. But this is so cute, and I can't believe this is worth $78. Like, that's crazy. The box in total is actually worth $212. Wow. This is gorgeous. And I told her I was trying to add more colors into my wardrobe. That I also needed some stuff for work because I'm a host at a restaurant. And I could definitely wear this at work with a nice little blazer or a cardigan.
Lightweight moto jacket. I'm gonna try it on properly, but I'm just gonna throw this on really quick. Like, oh, I can't even look in the lens. I'm like looking at the viewfinder. I'm like, oh my Lanta. Oops, I kicked the camera. I'm that excited. Like, what? What? You guys, I'm obsessed with this jacket. This is in a size 14-16. That's usually big for me. But God bless America, it fits like a glove. I kind of don't want to take it off. Oh dear. Yeah, I'm gonna be like wearing the living heck out of this fall. This summer, it's 105 out. I'm gonna wear it now. I don't even care. Dude, look how amazing that is. Megan, well done. Well done. Love.